I realize I'm sitting here with my two very favorite things. I've got a mystery box and a cappuccino. Life's good. Hi friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me for this video. We are gonna have so much fun because I am opening a mystery box. This is a box that my sister Aaliyah sent me. Maybe you saw my first video. She just cleaned out her closet and sent me another box. That video is already up on the channel. This one is the one we've all been waiting for. My sister told me that someone donated these clothes to her, and immediately she's like, oh my gosh, my sister Quenby would love the stuff in this box. Apparently, it's boho goodness, I think were her exact words. I think she might have even mentioned things like tassels. So I live here in Northern California. I love boho, romantic fashion, anything with crochet, lace, tassels, embroidery. I'm wearing one of my favorite Johnny Was blouses, which is a Bolo brand. If you're new to reselling, keep your eye out for a very fancy embroidered tag that says Johnny Was. So let's get into this box and see what she got me. She knows that I resell on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller, and I do a lot of thrift haul videos and videos about what brands sell best online. So apparently there's some brands in here that I love to sell. So first we'll open the box, we'll take a quick peek at what it looks like, and then we'll get into it. If you're new, please know that at the end of the video I include my bloopers. It's usually the longest part of the video. The intro is always long. Like, I always want to do a short intro, like, hey, I'm opening the box. But then I get chatty. I want to say like everything in the first minute. So now we'll open the box. How about that? How about that one? Embroidery stuff right on the top. Okay, is this not a boho girl's dream? Prints, embroidery, like so exciting. Like this. Okay, I see some tie-dye. So I'm filming this in the summer of 2021. Tie-dye has been so popular. Check this out. Oh, it's so soft. Tie-dye is really popular still. This is a women's short sleeve t-shirt. It's by the brand Liz Claiborne. It's a size large and it's 60 cotton, 40 modal. That's why it's so soft. That modal fabric is awesome. So when I go to list this on eBay or Poshmark,
but I'm probably gonna keep a lot of this stuff if I'm honest.
Anything I don't keep, I'll list on eBay or Poshmark. But this is something that I would have bought for style. I wouldn't necessarily go looking for the Liz Claiborne brand. I would buy this though for style, and I would put Liz Claiborne women's top, tie-dye blue, size large, and then people could find my amazing tie-dye shirt for sale. Yes, this is a Bolo brand, and this is like an amazing piece from this brand. This brand is Sundance. I've also heard it called Sundance Catalog, and it is quite an expensive catalog, friends, and this is the sort of stuff they make that does really well. Look at that boho goodness. There is embroidery, heavy embroidery all on the front of this, and it's a white ivory piece, and I talk about this a lot when I talk about one of my favorite brands to sell online, which is Free People, my favorite brand to wear and sell. I often look for the ivory and white pieces because they tend to do really well. A lot of romantic feminine fashion stuff is in white or ivory. This is amazing. Look at the print on this. It's like pink, and then I think it's got like feathers even on it. A really bright, fun, colorful print. Wow. I'm so excited that this is like a size large. This is new with tags. It's from the brand Spence. This is not a brand I'm really familiar with, but this is another one of those items that would be great to sell on style. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it was new with tags. Size large, and this has got, it can be worn off the shoulder, so I would put that right in my title if I was selling this on eBay or Poshmark or wherever you sell. Mercari, Depop, Facebook Marketplace. A title and description is so important, friends, so that people can find your items for sale with great keywords. So this is a Spence women's top, size large, pink printed ruffle flounce off the shoulder I would put. The flounce is when there's like a ruffle of fabric on the top that makes a flounce over the top. So that's a great keyword. I love the feathers like in this print. That is so boho. There's a lot in this box. Well, I can't believe how much is in here. We are gonna have fun in this haul. I hope you learned some keywords to use in your title and description. I hope you learned some new brands or styles that sell well. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years and I've been on Poshmark for 3 years. I also sell on Etsy. So I think unboxings and haul videos are a great way to learn brands, styles, fabrics, sizes, things that sell well. This is another really cute print. This is by Lila Rose, size large. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'm wondering if it's a Stitch Fix brand. Let me know in the comments if you do. This is like a tunic blouse. So if it's a longer blouse, I'll put the keyword tunic in there. It's like a black and white floral, and then you'll see in the back, there's like a slit, so it's layered. And it feels silky, and I'll often put that in my title. If it was really genuine silk, I would put silk in my title. But if it's not, I would put silky, S-I-L-K-Y, because a lot of us love silky tunics. Even if it's polyester, but it feels light and silky. We like it. We like that. Have a little more coffee. Honestly, you guys, I have the best espresso maker. I linked it in the description because I think of it as a reseller tool. This is a Stitch Fix brand, and this is new with tags too. Daniel Rain. Daniel Rain is one of my favorite brands that is carried, and I can't tell if that's backwards or upside down. Can you guys? Daniel Rain is one brand that is carried at Stitch Fix. I was doing Stitch Fix unboxings for a while during COVID when we couldn't really go out and shop. It was so fun for me to get a box every month. So those are older videos up on the channel. I stopped doing it because now I can get out and about. I love Stitch Fix, but it's expensive. Like, ooh, this is so cute. This is so the sort of stuff I got in the box. It's a much longer silky tunic with this bright print. And this was probably over $50 at Stitch Fix. It's just really pricey, you guys. So I'm taking a little break. I might do it again because it is really, really fun. But if I were going to sell that, I would put right in my title, Daniel Rain Stitch Fix women's top tunic blouse, because a lot of people get the Stitch Fix boxes and they love the stuff in there, but they don't want to spend $50 or more on a tank top, so they'll look for places that are selling it, like on eBay. So, oh, I love this brand. J. Jill, still like my best-selling brand. I say it almost every video because it's one of those bread and butter brands that just sells great for me, especially in the larger sizes. It's easy to find, you know, anybody can find it, and you can sell it for like $15 to $25, $35 depending on the piece. This is so cute. I love the print on this. It's a silky blue printed tunic. It just seems like it's going to be so comfortable. I wonder if it is silk. It's rayon, but it's sort of a heavier rayon. These just look so good on. This is a size medium. Like, this would be perfect. So my other job, I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. But this is like a perfect psychotherapist blouse. Like, I would wear this with some trousers or some linen pants, sort of like dressy casual. I don't have to wear suits or anything, but I like to look nice when I'm seeing my clients. Oh my gosh, what's this? Tassels, I see them.
A good boho piece has lace, embroidery, crochet, or a tassel.
This is Lucky Brand, another really amazing selling brand for me. It's pretty expensive. If you go to like Macy's, a shirt like this will cost $75. And this is a size large. I call these a peasant blouse. I love that this is in black. I don't see that a lot. And then if there's a tassel in there, I put it right in my title. And this has got some smocking across the chest. This is just like so perfect. I love it. Now, if you love something in this haul, you can message me. And if I'm not keeping it, I'll sell it to you.
I'm awful,
But I've often admitted, like, I'm in it for the clothes. Like, I love that about reselling. Let me know in the comments, is it the same for you? There are some resellers that are about the bottom line. They don't care what they're selling. They just want to make money, and I totally get it. For me, it's a business. I rely on the extra income. I love it. I love growing it. But I love that I can thrift, buy things, wear it a few times, then sell it. I constantly get new things in my closet to try out. If I don't like it, no problem, sell it. I mean, I just love that because I like to try a lot of new things. I like having new fun things. Ooh, this is another J. Jill. I love selling this brand, you guys. I know it's not like a crazy Bolo brand that everyone's looking out for, but it's a reliable, consistent seller. And look at this. Another like rayon blouse and a great print, great length, size medium. I'm gonna try some of these on for you. I haven't done that in a while, so let me know in the comments. Do you like the try on stuff or no? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments, are you going to Posh Fest? I'm filming this in summer 2021. In October 2021, Posh Fest, which is a party for Posh Fest sellers, is happening in Orlando, Florida. I gotta get my ticket. I have a hotel room. I wanna meet you guys. Let me know if you can come. This feels like linen. Olivia Skye is another brand that I've seen at Stitch Fix. Oh, I absolutely love linen, friends. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a linen pullover. It has a lace crochet trim. Yes, and a little keyhole cutout in the back. I live for linen like this, you guys. I don't know if it's a California thing or what, but I love the way it feels. Thank you, Aaliyah, and thank you to the woman. Oh, I almost put the shirt in the coffee. That would be so me. Wow, see, this is another Liz Claiborne, and it's like great. So this is not a brand that's like been on my radar, Liz Claiborne. But look how cute that is. That would look so great. It has such good colors in it. Turquoise, blues, a great print. You'd have to put like a little camisole, one of those like tank tops with the built-in bra under here. Then you could pair it with your white jeans. That would be so cute. Or your linen pants. Oh, look at the print on this. Super cute print. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is American Rag. This is another brand sold at like Macy's. This is so cute, and it's an XL. Super cute. They make really cute stuff. This is a black tunic, but look at the hemline. It's got like a ruffle hemline. Fantastic. This is another one you need like a cami under. This stuff is so good. Oh, and here's the cami. Here's like a plain black cami that you could wear under any of those tops. Just like a really simple cami to put underneath because some of them are sheer. So good. Oh, look, a pair of pants. These are cute. What's this? Another Liz Claiborne. Oh my gosh, you can just tell. Size 14. Listen, I keep moving on up in the sizes. For a while there, I was saying I'm like a 10, 12. It's like I haven't been in a 10 in over a year. I mean, I think I'm definitely a 12 now, and I think I'm moving into the 14 range. I'm eating well, I'm exercising. I think I'm aging. Like, I'm 45, and it's like really tricky these days. You know, you hold up a pair of pants, though, and you're like, those would probably fit really good, and the colors would match great with a lot of these blouses. So I'm going to give those babies a try. What's this print? Look at that. I love a good print, and I might put like in my title ethnic print, boho print. Another Lucky Brand. I love this stuff by Lucky Brand. It's just so expensive. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. Look at this. Like with a mandala on it, and the fabric is just light and stretchy and comfy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a bunch of stuff. Now, even though I'm probably going to hoard and keep and be selfish a lot of this stuff, I still want you to know these brands and styles because they're going to be great sellers for you guys. Oh, another Sundance. No way. Let me know in the comments, do you find this brand? It's a very unassuming tag, so I could see if I was at the thrift store being like, it's not like an amazing tag. Sometimes higher end brands have gorgeous tags and you can just tell. That's a really simple tag, but look on eBay, type in Sundance top, and then look under the solds. It's an expensive brand, or you could look at the website online. It's pricey, but but it's so cute. This is an XL. Look at this. Is it of a silk front? It's got this sweet print around the edges. Look at that print. Look at how pretty. It's almost like Asian inspired to me. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. This is my favorite color. I'm a turquoise girl. Got my turquoise rings and my turquoise stuff. Zach and Rachel. Oh, this is the most perfect peasant top. So when I'm listing this one, I would put Zach and Rachel, women top large. Then I would put peasant top, because that's this kind of style, and this is as light as gauze, so I would put gauze, G-A-U-Z-E, bell sleeve, ruffle, boho, and it's all smocked in the front. You see this elastic there is called smocking. This might be my favorite, even though it's one of the simpler ones. And this stuff's so comfy. Like, you can go out with your girlfriends and eat a big huge lunch and then put this shirt on and you're fine. You don't have to worry about sucking in your stomach all day because you're in like your tight band tee. Just saying. Oh, I don't want the box to end because it's been so good, but we've come to the end. W5, I think that's another brand sold at Stitch Fix. This is super cute. It's a longer striped tank, but then look at the back. It's got this detail here that makes it look very boho, like this nice fabric detail there. Friends, I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you so. I got all this for free from the generosity of someone who was donating it to my sister and her saying some of this stuff might be better for my sister. Spread the love. That's why I love doing Instagram giveaways. I've given away a bunch of inventory boxes. It feels really good. In what way can you be generous and make someone's day? Maybe send them a card or a note or a nice email or a gratitude. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. Stay to watch the bloopers at the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Love you guys. See ya. Bye. Hi friends, I almost dropped the box. Let's try that again. I always have box issues. It's like the people just expect box issues. I'll just try and hold it like this. Okay. Whoa. Can you see like the shadow and the fire thing? Anyway. I don't even want to say any of that. It's all the same stuff. And it's a whiter ivory priest. So hopefully we can all learn from these haul videos. Now I have to figure out where to put this. That's always the question for me. I mean, I just make, honestly, so many bloopers. I'm wondering if this is gonna be weird. Like, what is reflected in there? Don't know. Trying to film downstairs again. Okay, so where can I put the box? Okay, I'll just put it up here. I got my Zumba shoulders going. Oh, they're also my Friday Live shoulders. If you know, you know. Friday. Yep. Where do I put the box? I could put it here. Not really prepared. The way it feels, it's really easy to take care of. I could put it here, but then I'm gonna have to do a super awkward reach every single time. Like this. Oh gosh, is this little thing in the video? It is, like, the box is in the video. I'm gonna move that right now. I did not want the cardboard box to be in my video. Jeez, I keep trying to make the videos better. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god, there's so many tops in here.
So I don't know where I was going with this story, but